just been sitting here.
How much do you think this costs? They're selling for here on secondary right now. I think I'm too big. Claire, I need your help.
Okay.
We have something cool that we have.
Okay.
Okay, come out here. London, I need your help. I have something really cool. Can you come out and help me?
Yeah.
Okay, I need your help with something. I have something really cool. For the last 2 weeks, we have had this box here that's covered up with this special blanket, and it's really big, and Leslie's wondering why it's been there the whole time. Has anybody peeked? Raise your hand, it's okay to be honest.
I saw the cardboard.
You both peeked.
No, but I saw the cardboard. I didn't see anything.
I saw it. The blanket wasn't all the way over it, so I saw just a little bit of it.
Okay, well you kind of peeked. You saw the cardboard. Okay, all right, it is what it is. Lincoln is the only honest one in this family.
I haven't peeked at all. It's been there for a long time, like maybe almost a month now.
Maybe. So I wanted to get this thing before Christmas, and it was going to be something that I put together and had for a Christmas present, and then it didn't arrive till like 1 or 2 weeks after. So Claire, why don't you come over and take the blanket off?
You have to like build something? It's here. No way we got this. Yeah, I've seen this. This is awesome. So this is like a smaller version of it, right?
So this is the Tesla Cyberquad.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's check it out. I haven't even seen the box yet. Okay, so there it is, Tesla Cyberquad.
Oh.
When
Why
I
have we
was
been waiting this long? Why has this just been sitting here? This is awesome.
I know, right? So this is what happened. Tesla announced the Cybertruck, and it was mind-blowing. I was there that night. Roll the footage from my reaction of seeing the Cybertruck. Oh my gosh! I don't know if I had the reaction of me seeing the Cyberquad, but they brought out a Cyberquad, and it was like a four-wheeler, and then they had the back of the Cybertruck lower down, and the Cyberquad could roll up into the back of it. Super cool looking. I did get a closer look at it that night, and it was basically just like taped together metal. It was like a prototype, but it wasn't like a final thing. The one that night was an actual four-wheeler that you would use.
That's what I was thinking, because I've seen this before, and I'm like, it looks kind of like, I mean, it's really big, it looks really strong, but I'm like, it looks smaller than what I saw come out of the Cybertruck, but that makes sense.
It is. It's basically like a kid version toy thing that you ride around, kind of like a Barbie car, but a little bigger. Hopefully it's not hard to put together. We're gonna take it out of the box right now and test this thing out and drive it around and give our honest review of the Tesla Cyberquad and add it to our garage of Tesla stuff. This end up means you need to make it up. Yeah, now the arrows point. Oh, sound like we broke it. What the heck?
It sounded like a squeaky toy. Did you hear that?
Yeah, I don't think this is gonna be off-roading in the sand dunes with this guy.
It's so small. It's like a toy car.
Those tires look cool, actually.
Oh yes. Look at this.
Those are legit wheels.
Oh yeah, those are.
That's the squeaky noise.
Okay, we kind of have to assemble it a little bit. So go ahead, team, work together. Look at it.
It's like a bike.
Awesome.
Lincoln, how much would I have to pay you for you to ride this to school one day?
I don't know. It looks fast.
I'll ride that to school.
Oh guys, look outside. Postmates is here with pizza. Pizza break! And here it is, all complete. We built it. It took a little bit of time, but it's built. Thoughts now that we have it built?
It looks pretty strong. Like it looks like it can like plow through some stuff, you know? Like it kind of looks like a snowmobile or something, like the front of it, you know?
It is cool, and it's tough, and it's metal frame. It's not like a little kid's toy. I was worried it was gonna be like a radio flyer thing, like that little toy car Tesla they gave us.
That's who made this.
It is radio flyer, but it is higher quality than just that little Tesla toy that, what did we do with the Tesla toy? I think we dropped something on it. Did we smash it? We smashed it with like a backhoe or something.
Oh, okay, that was perfect.
That thing was pretty strong, but it definitely was a little kid's toy. This is like in between adult toy and little kid's toy. It's kind of in between. It wasn't a ton of parts to put together, but everything came together really well.
It didn't really work as well though, because all the tires have this thing on it, but this one we could really get on.
It's supposed to have this on it, but the problem is we're missing 4 screws. I could probably take them off and go to my local hardware store and see if they have those exact type of screws. One extra thing, the battery pack is right here in the back. Check out the charger box. It has Tesla logo on it. It looks kind of like an actual Tesla car charger. And then, where do we plug it in? Oh, you just take it out. Very small battery, so I'm not quite sure how far of range we could actually get, but we'll find out. It just goes right there in the back. You have to hold it down?
Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, that looks cool.
I mean, come on. Look at those lights. That is legit, and even on the back, nice lights. I did pull it forward a couple of feet and it made a mark on our wood floor. So let's push it out into the front yard and go drive this thing. It's so tiny. It looks so good out here in the sun though. All right, Lincoln, test it out, buddy.
Okay.
He looks so big on it. What is this?
That's fun. That's pretty fast.
Yeah. Look how big he looks. He looks like he's in a parade.
That's pretty fast.
Go, Claire. Oh, she's off-roading.
Don't put your
She's crashing. Oh, in her sandals.
down. Put your feet on
Put your feet on the thing.
the pedal.
You're gonna hurt yourself.
Yeah.
It's funny when people ride bikes and they wear sandals and they're like, I can slow myself down with my feet. No, don't use your feet, use the brake. There is a brake. All right, I wanna try it.
You want to try it?
Yeah, think I'm gonna break it?
Maybe.
Wow, it's really struggling here. Okay. That's kind of fun. Oh, okay. Oh. I think I'm too big. Oh, brakes. I don't have. Okay.
Brakes.
Okay, so next what I wanna do is we are going to have my brother-in-law that we've gone on sand dune adventures in Razors side-by-sides before, and we're gonna have him test it out. And he has kids that I think are probably a better age to be riding this. And then we can form a true opinion of how good this thing is. Is it good for sand dunes? Is it good for off-road? Should you buy it? I think it was $1,700 and now you can only buy them on aftermarket for $3,500. So for you, it's just gonna be a second, but for me, it's gonna be like 3 hours. All right, let's go. And here we go. Here's our four-wheeler expert. Probably don't recommend you ride with babies on it with no helmets, but hey, we're safe. We can do this.
Here we go. Whoa, off-roading. Watch out, bumpy ride. Wait here.
Is it slowing down? It's dead?
Might not have liked the old weight.
Okay, so we drove it for 5 minutes, fully charged. Since I last saw you, we fully charged it. It died pretty quick. We do have a lot of weight on it. Sorry, Sam.
I've made a few more Twinkies since the last time I've seen you, Dan.
Let me see.
Maybe it just
It still has battery. Okay, now go for it. Now you can go for it. Now she's off.
He lied.
Yeah,
It wasn't a
it's got
shoe.
plenty. Oh, jeez.
Oh man. It was
Okay.
the first crasheroni too.
We gonna film the first crash? Over the curb?
I think weight makes a difference.
Yeah, I think we've determined this is the best size for this. How old is he?
6.
6-year-olds. This is a perfect four-wheeler for 6-year-olds. He's loving it. He's riding pretty fast. It's not very wide at the base, and so when you turn too sharp, it wants to tip over hard. So if you do have somebody that's younger on there, like him, it could be wise to have a helmet on because, especially like over the curbs and stuff, it gets a little bumpy. Out of 10, how would you rate it?
10 out of 20.
Ooh, wait, no wait. That's actually bad.
You mean 10 out of 10?
Oh, 10 out of 10. Sam, what's your professional insights on this?
It's really light. That's interesting.
How much do you think this costs? Or do you know already? Oh,
$2,000 or something.
it's like 1,700 bucks. They're selling for 3,500 on secondary right now. Can you believe that? What could you get for $3,500 at an actual four-wheeler store that you work at?
Gas-powered one that I could probably do a wheelie on. That's $3,500.
Yeah, secondary. People are selling it for $3,000. Probably because it's a Tesla and it's like, it looks like a Cybertruck. It's more for the name.
But MSRP is 17, right?
17, yeah. And they only sold so many and they're never making them again.
Oh, well, that's pretty fair.
Yeah, okay.
I think that's
All
pretty
right.
fair.
It is another Tesla product that sells out immediately and people just love them because Elon Musk made them and it's kind of funny. And now you can buy things like this with Dogecoin on Tesla's website. You can't buy a car, but you can buy anything inside of their like merch shop, which would include this if they ever relaunched another one. So yeah, that's kind of Elon-ish. So there's our review. We'll give you a deeper review later. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Let me get one thing. Whoop, sorry. How am I running? We're not really kids anymore. We're all getting big. Oh, so you just saw cardboard.
It was just
So you didn't see, you just saw cardboard. Oh, well, you didn't see it then.
Yeah, I told you I saw cardboard.
Well, okay. Are you guys missionaries? Are you guys missionaries? No. Oh, you look like missionaries. Oh, sad. Look at the dog. She wants to be out here. All right, Lincoln's taking the dog on a ride. Careful.